Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Fitri Absari Sitaningrum and my last ID number is 15. Today, I will explain you about discussion text, pro and contra debate with the title is Fluency or Accuracy. Why should you focus on English pronunciation? So, what are you waiting for? Let's go! Okay, we start with the introduction. English is an international language. English is used as a global communication tool between people from different countries and backgrounds. In the context of teaching English as a second or foreign language, ELT or EFL, one key aspect is pronunciation. Accuracy and fluency are generally recognized as being related but separate, controversial subjects. In this debate, the question is, should we focus more on fluency or accuracy in English pronunciation? Before we discussing about the pro-argument, we should know about the fluency and accuracy. What is fluency and accuracy? Fluency is the ability to speak continuously and smoothly, without many pauses, stutters, or hesitations, even if there are still pronunciation or grammar errors. And then accuracy here refers to how precisely the pronunciation, articulation of sounds, intonation, rhythm, and other phonological aspects correspond to the target model. Next, we go to the pro-argument. There is 3 points. The first is effective communication. Focusing on fluency allows students to speak more freely, and more spontaneously. When students are not too fixated on perfect pronunciation, they can more easily convey ideas, exchange information, and engage in real communication. The second is motivation and self-confidence. When students are given the opportunity to speak fluently without feeling that they have to be perfect, they tend to be more confident, more courageous in speaking, and have higher motivation to practice. And the last is global reality. In the other words, English has become a bridge of communication between speakers of different languages. Mahmoud 2023. In situations like this, what is most needed is not pronunciation like a native English speaker, but pronunciation that can be understood by the listener and allows the speaker to understand others. The next is the contra-argument. There are 3 points too. The first is risk of misunderstanding. On other side, there is problem issues arises. One example is although fluency enables communication, if pronunciation or accuracy is very poor, misunderstandings can arise, and communication can even fail. The second is identity and professional standards. Moreover, some learners or communities feel that accurate pronunciation is part of linguistic identity and demonstrates competence or professionalism, especially in formal academic or presentation contexts. And the last is the importance of accuracy in pronunciation. Additionally, emphasizing accuracy in pronunciations help learners develop more mature phonetic and phonological skills and prevents the formation of persistent errors that are difficult to correct at later stages. Next, we come to the conclusion. In English language teaching, especially for EFL learners, the author takes the position that fluency should be the primary focus in pronunciation instruction, while accuracy should still be allowed to develop gradually. Focusing on fluency enables learners to communicate more easily, quickly, and effectively, particularly in real interactions with native speakers, as the message can be conveyed even with minor pronunciation errors. Both fluency and accuracy are important and complementary, but starting with fluent Speaking allows for faster learning, higher motivation, and greater engagement in authentic communication. And the last part is recommendation. Additionally, speaking activities that emphasize fluency, such as spontaneous discussions, role playing, or speaking without excessive concern for errors, have been shown to help build students' confidence and communication skills. Mahmud 2023. Therefore, prioritizing fluency allows students to speak confidently and engage in meaningful communication, while accuracy can be gradually enhanced throughout the learning process. So, the discussion is over. What do you think? Is not this topic very interesting? I think that's all from me. I hope it will be useful for all of you. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Goodbye.